Okay guys, so for some reason over the past year or two, my engine bay has become an unboxing table for some reason, but we're just gonna continue using this engine bay as an unboxing table for now. But anyways, this is going to be the second video of a video series that I've been wanting to do for a long time now. The last video that you saw me explaining the whole build or modding process was the first video to the series. This is all gonna be one huge playlist. So this is going to be an end-to-end video series from the unboxing, the rationale for me ordering these different parts, the different options that I had. Not only that, the installation of me and Josh and whoever else installing these parts, all the way to the dyno, to the first drive, track results, you know, whether it's the quarter mile or a full-fledged circuit track. We're going to do all of that, and it's going to be one huge playlist. So I don't know how many videos are going to be in the series, but this is going to be the first or the second video of the playlist, and I'll just make all one playlist probably tonight or something of this whole entire modding process. But we got the first box of the parts that I ordered actually not too long ago. I have another set of parts that are coming. It's coming over from Subaru Speed. I just want to say a big thanks to Yo for helping me acquire these parts and getting these parts over to me very quick. But we have one very small box. For some of you guys, this may be a boring video, but a lot of you guys said you guys enjoyed the simple videos and the simple chat with me just talking to you guys normally. And I'm gonna go ahead and continue that. All right, so the first part I got this from MA Performance. I swear I ordered this like 2 days ago, and next thing you know, it is here. So this is the first box of the build series or the modding series that is to come. So we're just gonna unbox this right now. It came in a bigger box, but I'm gonna save you guys the trouble of having to watch all that stuff. But here it is. This is the Cobb LF bypass valve. So truth be told, now I'm gonna be honest with you that I didn't do much research on different bypass valves. I just went online, saw this, and went ahead and just ordered it. So let's see what we got here. It looks like we got some lines, the Cobb bypass valve itself. There is no gasket in there, of course. I didn't expect one, but here it is. This is the Cobb LF. Boy, it is windy out there. What the hell is going on? Anyways, so really this is it, just a simple unboxing, but I want to do this unboxing because this is the first part that is here for the series. I don't know if I'll be able to get this in there the same way, but now when it comes to this bypass valve, now this probably gives you a good idea that I'm probably not going to go speed density, but speed density is still an option for me. So what I really wanted to do was go speed density and get the tile blow off valve. So that is still an option. So if we go speed density, that all depends on which turbo will be arriving, and I'll explain the whole turbo decision in another video because we're still waiting on that turbo to come. If that turbo doesn't come, we have a backup plan. Let's see what else. So we have a big order that's coming, I don't know, tomorrow. And you know how UPS is when it comes to ordering parts, they usually come to your door when you're not home. I don't know how they do that. UPS has magic powers of sensing when you're home and not home. Okay guys, so check this out. Later on in the year, we're gonna be doing a bunch of chassis, suspension, maybe even some aero upgrades on the car. But like I said earlier, I am not gonna be running bags on the car. I know it's the cool thing to do right now, but I have nothing against bags, but bags are just not for me. I'm gonna be staying with coilovers. Hopefully, maybe, I know this is not really a priority, but maybe get the Cup kit. I do have Fortune Auto 510 series coilovers. Awesome set of coilovers. Highly recommend them for your, you know, budget street setup. I wouldn't exactly call it budget. They are $2,000 coilovers, but they are a great set of coilovers. But anyways, maybe even some aero mods too. So with that said, there's a lot of misinformation out there on exactly what you need and what you don't need. There's a lot of gimmicks out there when it comes to suspension mods. So if you just follow the guide later on in the year, once we get all the parts ordered, we'll go over everything in detail to hopefully set you up for success when it comes to suspension mods. But anyways, that is it. Like I said, quick video series. This is probably going to be a 2 to 3 minute video. Another video will come when the next parts gets here, which should be a big order. So Subaru Speed order, parts from Parent Performance is coming, and when those get here, you'll see another video. And anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and get ready for this build/modding process. And we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.